Oh yeah. We're gonna send these pieces of shit back where they came from. Fucking China. Oh no. What's going on, you guys? I hope you guys are having another good day. Today is Friday. Please do me that favor and hit that thumbs up button if you really enjoyed this video, because y'all know that helps the channel out so much. So we're back today. We're gonna be doing a review on Lasfit LED reverse tail light bulbs and interior dome light bulbs. Okay, you guys noticed that I took the tail lights off of the truck. I did not take them off because just for the installation. I'm taking them off because I'm actually gonna send them back. All right, these tail lights work fine except the reverse bulb part. Okay, that part, yeah, I couldn't even figure it out, and I'll show you in a second. Actually, I'll show you right now. So you can see here on the tail light, this is where the reversible bulb is supposed to go. Okay, no biggie. The pigtail is the original, but when you open it, this is like, what fucking bulb are you supposed to connect to this shit? Like, look at that. Like, what is this? That is not a traditional. You can't put that chip into that. It just don't work like that. Okay, so we're sending these back. I'm gonna get my money back on these and order some different aftermarket tail lights. But in the meantime, I still have the old tail lights that I've had when I originally took them off, the ones that came with the truck. I still have those old aftermarket ones. We're gonna rock those because they do work fine. They are just a little older. They work fine, but I'm gonna do those. I already took off the tail lights, so we're gonna go ahead and do this installation and a review for Lasfit. All right. One more thing, thank you Lasfit for sending out this product for me to test and do a unbiased review on it. I really appreciate it. They reached out to me and were kind enough to send me this stuff for free. So I will have links below in the description box for both of these products. If you have a truck similar to mine, you definitely want to run these. Now, I've ran these before, and these work good. First of all, so I already know what I'm gonna expect. Okay, so you guys have seen me put my tail lights on multiple times, so I'm not gonna bore you by showing you that stuff. I'm just gonna hook it up, put the stuff in, and then we're gonna see how bright the lights are in reverse. It's broad daylight outside, so if we can see it like that in daytime, then we know we're gonna be good. Okay, so I'll see you guys in a sec. I think that came out to be real good. This is broad daylight outside. I'm in my garage because it's really windy outside, and you can see pretty good. I mean, that is a LED. That's a reverse bulb right there, man. Coming from the halogen bulbs I had before that were used to be in these, and I haven't ran these tail lights in about 6 months, but they came out pretty good. And that right now, what I got is I got the reverse lights on along with the regular, lights. These are Lasfit LED reverse bulbs, so this speaks for yourself. And if you're wondering if they last a long time, yes they do. I'm currently running headlights in the front with Lasfit and they work perfect. Yeah, so good job Lasfit, man. I like this a lot. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna move on to the inside. Here we go. We're gonna move on to the inside. We're gonna put these in, test them out, and see how they work. Alright, you guys, so right now you can see we're inside the truck right now. I do have tint all the way around. I have 15% all the way around, except the back is like 20. The windshield's tinted, I think it's like 30% or something like that with the eyebrow. So it's kind of dark in here, not super dark, but you can see right now we got these old school halogen bulbs that are probably super hot right now because I've had this on for a minute. We got one all the way in the back, and we got one right here. So we're gonna go ahead, swap. They only sent me two, but it's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and swap them out, put these in, and then we're gonna see how bright. Are you guys ready for this? This is sick right here. Okay, this is only one bulb in here, one bulb there, no bulb in there. Get ready, y'all are about to be impressed. Now look at the ground, look how dark it is down there. That is from a light. That is from one light. Oh my goodness, it's completely lit in here. Y'all see this? You can actually see me good now. I can actually record in the truck. Oh yeah, look at that. How much better is that right there? Oh my goodness. Lasfit, if there's anything I have to say that's bad about this, is that you only sent me two. And I got like maybe like 5 or 6 bulbs. Other than that, everything else is A+. I had a really good feeling that these were going to be pretty good because these are really high quality looking, you know. Let me show you guys real quick. It's not cheap quality stuff now, okay? This is a legit high quality construction of material, all right? They have some type of aluminum chrome coating on it, I guess, to keep it cool or to help the light reflect. I mean, my goodness, let me turn the light off real quick. Okay, everything's dark. All right, everything, you can't even see my feet. Wow, you see my toes? Wow, holy crap. That's only one. We're about to put the other one up in there. Hell yeah. Now I want you guys to see how the comparison between halogen. Now I understand the cover is off of this one and it's not on this one, but look at the difference between halogen and LED. And LED draws less power and it lasts longer. You do the math. There actually is no thinking required when you do that, okay? Alright, I went ahead and installed the other bulb in it. Whoa. Let there be light. Wow. It makes the video quality look so much nicer when it's nice and bright in here. That's what I'm talking about, man. Hell yeah. Lasfit, you guys killed this one. Alright, you guys, so that really is going to be it for the review installation. You know, installing light bulbs in your vehicle is pretty simple. For the tail lights, we are going to be rocking the old tail lights until I get some more tail lights, because I got to mail back the ones that I got that are not good. I'm going to send them back. They're going to California, so it's going to take a bit. I'm going to send those over there, get my refund, and then we're going to order some new tail lights. I do plan on getting the C-shaped LED bar in there again, except I'm thinking about getting the same thing except one with the right reverse bulb socket. Don't worry though, if you watch the video where I installed those tail lights and you asked for a link of it, the link that is in the video for when I installed the tail lights that I took off, that link is actually the correct link. Okay, that link is gonna have the right, reverse bulb. It's perfect. Okay, that's the one I should have bought. The one I bought was $30 cheaper. It looked almost exactly the same minus the reverse part. So that's what I get for being cheap. You guys, you know, seen it firsthand, okay? Please let me know how you feel about this review video. Once again, Lasfit, thank you very much for sending me out this product to test on my vehicle. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys want to send out more things to me. I will be more than happy to test out any more products you guys have. Other than that, please comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and y'all stay tuned soon, because we're doing some work, okay? I'm trying to make some moves, man, and I really hope it goes my way, so, or what I'm trying to get done. But please do not miss out on the channel. Make sure you're subscribed and make sure you hit that like button and make sure you're watching the videos and staying informed. Thank you guys so much. If I don't, I'm gonna put a video out this weekend, but if I don't for some reason, you guys have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year's, etc. You know, God bless. You guys take care. I love you all. Thank you for being loyal fans and loyal viewers to the channel. 2018 is almost done. We're rolling into 2019, and we're going to be hitting that 1 year mark on the channel, and it's a milestone. I'm grateful for it, okay? So until next time, y'all take it easy. Be safe, and peace out. I just can't get over how bright this is, man. Oh my goodness. Like, I'm not even BSing right now. Like, I'm not trying to, no. Like, good Lord, man. I never had LED bulbs this bright inside my vehicles. I've always had the little cheap eBay, the little Chinese ones. Man, oh man. All right, I'm out. Peace out.